8-9 किलोमीटर है। पूरा अंडरग्राउंड सिस्टम बनाया था। पूरा सिटी ऊपर है, नीचे से तो पूरा डेट्स मार्केट है पूरा रास्ता। तो डेट्स आते हैं मेन जो आते हैं सऊदी से आते हैं।
Beach Hotel. That is the first beach hotel of Dubai. The specialty of this hotel is most of the rooms of this hotel face towards to the beach. In such a way they have made. This is on the right hand side. You can see this all right. This is a water park. This is called as a Wild Wadi Water Park.
वाटर पार्क है
This is a Wild Wadi Water Park. It also come in the group of Madina Jumeirah.
सच में वाटर पार्क है।
So now we came in front of the Burj Al Arab Hotel.
स्लाइड दिख रहा होगा।
So our bus will take us to there inside, and from there on the left hand side he will drop us. You can see that barriers. You can go inside, take a photo and come back. Okay? Our bus will be standing on the right hand side there. The bus stop.
बग्गी क्रॉसिंग। अच्छा बग्गी है।
अपन यहाँ करो अपन
वॉच कर रहे हैं वाटरफॉल्स।
वाटर पार्क
गाइस ये होटल गाइस मुझे ये सबसे अच्छी वाली चीज दिखी गाइस। सेम टू सेम आई मीन बुर्ज खलीफा टाइप तो नहीं है पर अच्छा है। बुर्ज खलीफा क्वालिटी है। करों से अरे हे पहला कौन सी गाड़ी थी? बुर्ज
Okay, who want to take a picture? We can go and take a picture and come back. Our bus is standing on the right hand side. There is a bus stop. You have to come there. अभी इधर है?
बिल्डिंग को थोड़ा खड़ा
Okay. Beaches. All the private villas have their own private beaches. That is the most luxurious property of Dubai. That is in Dubai. So it is a fully furnished residential apartment. This is the tram. Here the tram line. This is the tram station where that is the tram which is connected from this area to the Dubai Marina, JBR. That is all connected with the Dubai tram. Because this is the tram which is going only on this area from Al Sufouh to the Dubai Marina. This tram is connected with the metro also from 2 stations. If you want to go to Dubai Marina, JBR, Jumeirah Beach Residence, you can come to the metro. You can take a metro from DFCC. From there you can change the tram and you can visit on that area. Before there is a very expensive area, so there is no buses, no nothing other transportation. Only taxis you have to take. The taxis is more expensive, so government has put this transportation. Left hand side, this is the whole area is called Dubai Knowledge Park. Whatever the universities and colleges all over the world, most of the famous universities and colleges, whatever in Dubai, in the world with their branches, you will find it here. Most of the Sikkim Mahibal, like Oxford University, Wollongong, that all the Middlesex University, that is all the universities, branches, you will find it here. Because they want their people to educate with their country, same management, same faculty, you will find all the branches. So now we are entering to the Palm Jumeirah Island. This is the entering of the Palm Jumeirah. That is a seacoast area, and that is a that is a monorail station here on the left hand side. Monorail is the train only. That is one on single track. That is all on the only on this island that goes. That is just on this island from here to the end of the island till the Atlantic it works. On the right hand side, you can see this is the sea started. Now the Palm Jumeirah Island started on the sea. This is the bridge. It is connected with the Palm Jumeirah Island, and that is one island you can see on the last there end. That is the island is the new palace of Sheikh Mohammed. Because Sheikh Mohammed gave the security to the public that I'm also with you. If anything happens, it will happen to us also. So that is why he took the first property there. And Burj Khalifa also, he has the top floor, the office for him, so that the people will feel okay. If anything happens, it will happen to him also, for us also. So that's why he has the office on the topper one to give the safety and security to the people. Here we are now on the step part of the Palm Jumeirah Island. So on the left and right, you can see the same design buildings. There are total 20 buildings, 10 on site, 10 on site. There are fully furnished residential apartment. It starts from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bedroom. It is starting sale of when they started selling. It starts from 1.5 million dirham the apartments and the villas 2.5 million dirham. The brand ambassador of the Dubai tourism is Shah Rukh Khan. So Shah Rukh Khan have the property here. That is a villa which is gifted from Sheikh Nakil to Shah Rukh Khan because he is the brand ambassador of the Dubai tourism. Other items, right side after this white villa there, that side you can see that corner, the villas, the brown color, that is the villa grounds which have the private beaches. Of all the villas, they have their own private beaches. When you see from the top, like from viewpoint, or you can see by the helicopter ride or skydiving, if you see from the top the shape of this island, you can recognize how it was. It's a very beautiful view from the top. So some of the people, also government has made one more viewpoint of this island that is called Nakil Tower. There you can visit, you can go up and you can have the view of this island of 360 degree. That is very beautiful view. Because when the people are coming in the season time, more of the people, they are not getting skydiving appointment. There are no availability for that, for helicopter or any other thing there. So that's why they are the people. The government has made this Nakil Tower. You can see on the left hand side this mall. Above of this mall there is a tower, blue color. That is a Nakil Tower. On the top of this tower, you'll go on 52nd floor. You can have the view of this island of 360 degree. This is the center part of the Palm Jumeirah Island where the grapes are growing up. The fruits now. This is the place, and after this, now that is the villa started. That is the front part. Yani sea part. Nice part has started. This is the first front here. After this is the first front. It's first leaf. It is made in the shape of this way. It's round, and every front in the middle they have a road. And opposite side of the roads, they have the villas, and villas back side they all have the beaches. Palm Jumeirah has 17 fronts, 17 fronts, 8 one side, and 1 in the center, where we are going to have a photograph of beach as well as the Palm Atlantis. Atlantis Hotel. We'll get a photo stop there and we'll take photograph and we'll come back. So that is the last front where we are going to take a photograph. 17th front we will get down, and from there Atlantis Hotel is on the semicircle of the Palm Jumeirah Island. Anybody saw the Palm Jumeirah picture? Everybody saw, right? On the Google? If you saw the picture, the palm tree, and after that there is a semicircle. That is called as a water break road. Because you can see that is a villa's backside, and this is all the beach part. They have over right now some construction is going on, and then you can see how they have the beaches. Because of summer the sea is very low, so that's why we can't see in water more, because in the season time when there is a very high tides or sometimes it rains, the water will be very high. You can see till the border of the houses, whatever the villas border, till there the sea will be there. The water will be there. This is the area, is called the Point. Here we have 15-minute stop, so we can go and take a picture and we can come back. Sometimes we